Samsung CU8000, premium 4K viewing at its finest. Calling all tech enthusiasts and movie buffs. Get ready to elevate your visual experience with the Samsung CU8000 series. This remarkable line of 4K TVs offers a dynamic blend of top-notch picture quality, sleek design, and smart features that guarantee an immersive entertainment journey. Crystal clear brilliance with dynamic crystal color. The CU8000 series stands out with its proprietary dynamic crystal color technology. Imagine a billion, yes, a billion shades of color exploding across your screen, delivering unprecedented realism and depth. Every scene, from the vibrant hues of a bustling marketplace to the subtle gradients of a dramatic sunset, comes to life with breathtaking richness. Forget about washed-out visuals or dull color palettes, the CU8000 series is all about pure, captivating color. Powerful processing for a sharper picture. Behind the CU8000's stunning visuals lies the powerful Crystal Processor 4K. This intelligent brain optimizes your content, transforming everything you watch into glorious 4K resolution. That means even your older favorites will get a visual upgrade, revealing details and textures you might have missed before. Get ready to rediscover your movie and TV collection with newfound clarity. HDR, bringing out the shadows and highlights. High dynamic range, HDR, is another game changer in the CU8000. With HDR, you'll unlock a wider range of contrast and brightness, making your viewing experience more immersive than ever. Bright scenes, like sun-drenched landscapes, pop with dazzling intensity, while dark scenes, like shadowy chases, reveal greater detail without turning murky. Get ready to say goodbye to blown-out highlights and crushed shadows. The CU8000 ensures a balanced, true-to-life portrayal of every scene. Sleek design meets functionality. Looks matter, and the Samsung CU8000 understands that. Its sophisticated air-slim design features ultra-thin bezels that practically melt away, allowing you to focus on the mesmerizing picture rather than the frame around it. The clean, minimalist aesthetic blends seamlessly with any decor, transforming your living space into a stylish entertainment hub. Smart features for effortless entertainment. The CU8000 isn't just about stunning visuals, it's about smarter, more convenient entertainment. Equipped with Samsung's intuitive smart hub, you'll have a world of streaming content at your fingertips. Seamlessly access your favorite apps like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and more. With built-in voice assistants like Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant, you can control your TV, get recommendations, and even manage smart home devices using just your voice. Gaming optimized. The CU8000 also caters to gamers with a dedicated focus on a smooth, responsive experience. Features like Auto Low Latency Mode, ALLM, automatically switch the TV into its dedicated game mode, significantly reducing input lag for tear-free, stutter-free gameplay. Whether you're exploring vast virtual worlds, racing for the finish line, or battling online opponents, the CU8000 keeps the action fluid and keeps you a step ahead of the competition. The verdict? Let's be honest, upgrading your TV is a big decision. Yet, the Samsung CU8000 makes that decision easy. Its stellar picture quality, driven by dynamic crystal color and powerful processing, sets a new bar for visual excellence. Toss in smart conveniences, a stylish design, and gaming-friendly features, and the CU8000 offers a compelling package for anyone who craves an all-around exceptional entertainment experience. If you demand the best in 4K viewing, the Samsung CU8000 delivers. Trust me on this one. Want to see more? Be sure to check out the rest of the videos in this playlist or watch the recommended video for an even deeper dive into the world of amazing 4K TVs.